And they'll reply by thinking. They're not typing anything. Blindsight, which will enable people who are blind to see, including people who have been blind from birth.
Imagine controlling your phone just by thinking or seeing, even if you've been blind since birth. This is Neuralink, Elon Musk's audacious neurotechnology venture. Just days ago, Neuralink closed a $650 million funding round to push clinical trials for its brain-computer interfaces across 3 countries, reports. The first breakthrough product, codenamed Telepathy, empowers people with paralysis to operate computers and phones using only their thoughts. In fact, one participant has logged over 4,009 hours controlling devices this way.
Neuralink is building brain-computer interfaces. The first part is called Telepathy. It allows someone who has lost the use of their body to control a computer or a phone just by thinking.
Wow.
In fact, you can interact with a number of the people who've done this online right now. They're on the X platform. You can DM them, I think, and they'll reply by thinking. They're not typing anything.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
But Neuralink isn't stopping there. Blindsight is next, a brain implant aimed at restoring sight by bypassing damaged eyes and directly stimulating the visual cortex. In calling offered to design, approved by the FDA as a breakthrough device, Blindsight could give vision, even to those blind from birth, as long as their visual cortex remains intact. In January 2024, it performed the first human implant in Arizona. The result? Patients moved cursors, typed with their minds, and regained independence, a level of autonomy once considered impossible.
And then there's a second Neuralink device, very similar to the first one, called Blindsight, which will enable people who are blind to see, including people who have been blind from birth.
Wow.
It'll interface directly with the visual cortex in the brain. And hopefully we'll be able to do the first Blindsight implant in a human later this year. Within the next 12 months, I'd say I'm quite confident that we can do that.
Neuralink's $9 billion valuation and massive investments show one thing: it is no longer science fiction. From enabling thought control to granting sight, Musk's vision is clear: merge mind and machine to heal human pain. So, what do you think? Are brain implants the future of medicine, or the beginning of a new era of human evolution? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to follow these breakthroughs as they unfold.